Hello. Hi everyone. I'm Sajid. This is Karan, and we are Newsroom AI. I'd like to start off by showing you a short video on how we embarked on the journey of serving close to 1 billion brand experiences every day for around 500 plus clients across the globe. So we believe that every media campaign is a complex emotional system, and when we approach what is the right method to actually tackle this, we go back to Don Norman, who is actually the head of design at the University of California and also the author of The Design of Everyday Things. So according to him, he believes that every emotional system can be broken down on 3 levels. So one is the visceral, which is what you see and how it actually makes the user feel. And then the next level of design is behavior. So what we call behavior is, you can say that it's usability in simpler terms. How does the user interact with it? And then you have the reflective part of the design, which actually speaks about how does the user feel about the actual experience during and after the experience, please. Yeah, so we wanted to define what media success is. So media success is what happens when an emotionally relevant message reaches the right audience at the right time that is relevant for such a message at the right price point. Now, I'd like to actually bring up a case that we feel is a brilliant embodiment of what I just said. So this was slightly controversial, sorry about that, but this was a campaign that was done by Zomato. The brief was they wanted to promote their late night delivery services, and what they came up with was that the particular cohort they wanted to target does spend a lot of time on adult content websites, and they came up with these set of ads. So you can see 9 different set of ads. Now, how does this tie back in with what we are trying to portray here is now a good motivated designer should have taken probably a few days to come up with this. But what we have done at Newsroom AI is to actually automate a lot of these processes using AI. And before I actually pass the baton on to my partner, I'd like to show you a short video that explains what exactly we do with AI. as we wait for the mic, I just wanted to inform you that we are pleased to announce the launch of this out here at iMedia, and also this particular engine is available in India in 13 different languages as of last week.
Thank you, Sajid. So like Sajid said, we are actually announcing this entire AI-assisted ads here at iMedia, and we are really proud for iMedia to give us this opportunity. So the video what you saw just like a few seconds back, right? So that video was kind of self-explanatory. Even then, I would like to spend like a few more minutes on what we do, how we do, and how can it really help the brands to utilize it. So when we typically talk about AI is not something which can do it all for you. It still needs some manual efforts to go in. It needs humans to operate and the right prompt to it. So we do everything which is not the creepy bits of DCO, which is dynamic creative optimization. So what we typically do in this engine, which we have built and we have spent like months and months and nights overnights to build this out. We input the right prompt of that particular brand, campaign, product. Now that prompt can be in various forms. It can be a text document, it can be a Google Doc, it can be actually your product description page, or even a landing page for that matter. That prompt actually capitalizes on what all other variations we can build. So if I have to say this, within a click, we can go over like 5,000 ad variations. Now these ad variations can be adopted into multiple ad units and over 1 million creative variations in multiple tonalities. Now typically when I talk about the tonalities, it could be formal, witty, romantic, could be any tonality. We have got like over 120 tonalities of the content variations to be built in. Now, we have built these variations. What about deployment of these variations? Now, whatever the variations, we are building it right there on the AI engine. That's ready to be deployed in like seconds maybe, or even less than that. Just saw are the different variations built for different brands in different tonalities, different unit sizes, and deployed on different content platforms. And the best part, what comes in here, we let the brands to choose their right content platform as per the respective TG, what they are targeting. Another beauty what we added, and we are happy to announce this is something what we just got a confirmation like a day before. For brands to make it even simpler, when we talk about thousands and thousands of variations, it's humanly not possible to go through all the variations in a go. So just simply collaborate on a Google Sheet. It makes life extremely easy for the brands and even for the extended team for the brand, which are the agencies, to make it happen right there on a single click. Now, moving on to the media planning. When these variations are built, how do we utilize the media? So media typically is being utilized by us again through an AI engine. So every single campaign we do, what you see on the screen, on the left hand side here, you see multiple genres. Now these genres are typically describing the content platforms. You see the content platforms, then you see the actual live campaign matrix. Now these matrix can be impressions to your CTRs, to your interactions, to the time spent. There can be thousands and thousands of such metrics what we deploy. Now, more than the matrix, what we are actually gathering from the particular campaign, we also need to understand what content platform is giving us what value. So we understand that content platform in much more insightful manner. Now, this manner could be something like understanding the MAUs of that particular content platform. What are the kind of users, those who are actually visiting and consuming the content, what age group they belong to, what's the gender they are in, and similar way, we even talk about the kind of relation what they have with the content platform in terms of the retention. So all of this is extremely critical for a particular brand to even know, and accordingly the right TG and the right planning approach gets in place. Now, once we move ahead from planning, we need to also understand how will the optimization and evaluation of that particular piece will work. That's also very critical. Again, AI helps us to do that. It's not, again, like I said before, it's human effort which also goes in. We're not completely dependent on AI. So we understand the content platform. We collect over 40 different metrics of a single ad unit served on a single content platform. So what you saw on this on the top of this particular video are the top 10 ones. And then even then we understand the creative variations, we understand the ad sizes, we understand the kind of domains, we understand the kind of session is being served, and we also understand what content is it being served on. Now, when we talk about what content is it being served on, it's also understand for us to know the brand safety. So we do keep in mind whatever the content it's going on, it's brand safe. It's a healthy environment for the user and the brand to build a strong relation. So the overall piece basically comes in. We are AI assisted ad optimization and builder. Okay, so we build multiple ad variations utilizing AI, and then we evaluate, optimize the entire piece through AI.
Thank you.
So in India, categorically, we have done we have got onboarded actually various brands for this particular piece, and we are super excited for people, those who are in the room, to utilize this particular format, and let's evaluate and let's run on the entire AI wave. We have it here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.